December 21st, 2017, day 21 of Vlogmas. We are starting our day off with playing with some birds. This is my mother-in-law's bird.
Yeah. Mine.
Yeah, you like the birdie? Gentle, gentle. Oh, gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. Gentle. You want it on you? There he is. There he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Be gentle. Don't touch. Don't touch. Just leave him. No, no. Oh. Gentle. Gentle, gentle. Come here. Gentle? Gentle? Oh no, that's not gentle. No, no. Can you give kiss? No, no, gentle. Most birds I play with when they are like this, parakeets I think they're, maybe not. When I play with them, they get so scared. Like this one is so scared, I can feel his heart racing. You can see his neck's just strained. They normally poop on me. And this one hasn't, so this one's a good bird. Hasn't bitten me. It has tried to escape, but that is totally understandable. I have had birds that have bitten and pooped on me, but this one's a good bird. This one's having a tantrum because she can't be rough with him. I spoke too soon. It just pooped on me. Look at that thug face. Look at that thug face. He just pooped on me and he's okay with it. Thug. That's just what the birds do. Gotta take care of this one. A new Christmas decoration. It's a bird! You gonna be the tree topper? Get rid of this thing?
What thing?
Yeah, you like it, huh? Yeah. So it has been a while since I vlogged. we ended up going to the mall, which I don't know if I mentioned or not, but the plan was to go to the mall and find clothes for Melody, or a dress for Christmas, a special Christmas dress. I think that is one thing I always want to do, is 2 special dresses per year. Christmas, oh actually 3, Christmas, Easter, and birthday. So we did that, and we also looked around, found her a present, which I had planned on vlogging all of this, and it just, when we got there, I never had mentioned anything about it and bring out the camera. So in the end, I think it was best, because that way I can reveal it all on Christmas. So you can look forward to that in this short, tiny vlog. But this is something I want to put up. Playing with the birdie, super cutesies. And yeah, tomorrow we have, well, I'm so behind on vlogs. What is new with that? Anyways, we actually did plan on buying something else, which we didn't get, so we might probably have to go to the mall again, which I hopefully can take you guys with. But you can look forward to what we got for Christmas. It was quite expensive, quite extra. So you are welcome to judge, but yeah, that's just what we got. We have you'll have to wait and see. And the dress, the pretty dress, I'm not necessarily 100% happy about it. I do have the receipt in the bag just in case I do come across something even better. However, the price was perfect. Well, not perfect. It was very good, and it was the best out of all the options I could have got. There was this one dress that was super cute, but they were sold out everywhere, and they did not have it in her size. So, was not meant to be. I do have the bag with the receipt just in case something else comes up, but it is very cute and it is a promising dress. So you can look forward to that for Christmas. I will try my best to get up to date with all the vlogs and get so that you can see on actual Christmas. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of what we do this Christmas, which is right around the corner, literally 3 days away, you can check us out in our next video. See you then.